just buy Kente for buying sake. You should buy the one that you don't name and a brief history behind it. Something like this one. This particular design, we call it Such is Life. You know, you can see it goes here, it comes here, it goes here. Life is not straightforward. Sometimes you are sad, sometimes you are happy. So we call this particular design Such is Life. And we have this one here. We named this particular cloth after our first president's wife. So we call this one Fatia Deserves Nkrumah. Yeah. We have this one here. We call this one Good Days Ahead of Me. It's a sign of encouragement.
Goodness is ahead of me.
That's right.
Yes.
Never give up in life. There are good days ahead of you.
Yes.
We have this one which is called My Heart's Desire.
Yes.
My Heart Desire.
Awesome.
And the bone of my bone.
Yeah, we have this one called The Bone of My Bone. That's in our local language. We call it Odomfin Padie.
I don't fit today.
Odomfin Padie.
I don't fit today. I'm never gonna get that. I'm never gonna. So wait, is tree part of French or what? How does? So you sound French too. What? So you're speaking tree?
Of course, I speak in Tree
Okay.
because I am an Ashanti.
All right now.
Yeah.
Tree sounds like French, eh?
Yeah.
Really?
A little. Well, I don't know. Some of the
Maybe
some of the words.
yeah.
Yeah, some of the words.
And then we have this one. These are some of the old patterns.
Okay.
This cloth I'm holding is more than 100 years.
Wow.
And the difference between the old and the new, the old was made with silk.
Wow.
And the joining was done by hand. Unlike these days, we use machine to do the joining.
So if you see, guys, you see how the thread is actually hand stitched instead of
Machine stitching.
stitching. So if you see the pattern based on the machine stitching of this one, so that's how you can tell the difference. Awesome. So your factory, is it open every day, all day?
No, normally we open it on every day, but for us to get serious business,
Yes.
it's from Monday to Saturdays. You know, Sundays we just go to church and we don't work. Normally we weave on Sundays. That's why we see the loom is many here, but everybody is not doing the weaving.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I'm special today because you opened up your doors for me.
course,
Thank you
of
so
course.
much on a
You're welcome.
Sunday.
You're welcome.
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Well, thank you, gentlemen. Is there anything else that you think I should
Yeah,
know?
yeah, we have so many products of Kente.
Okay. You sell
These are the passport
beads?
bags.
Passport. Oh.
We have Kente slippers too here.
Kente slippers. Wow.
Kente slippers. And these are Kente necklace, earring, and a bracelet. 3 in a pack.
Oh. Do you guys sell your products on Amazon or anything? Do you have
No,
you should
really.
maybe think
no,
about
really.
it. Absolutely. Get you guys an online store.
And these are Kente ties. These are flying ties.
Those are very nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give my son one of those. Yeah. Very nice. And who makes the jewelry?
Yeah, these are traditional beads.
Very nice.
Yeah, this was given to us by our grannies in the home.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do the elders make the bead jewelry?
Yeah, they bend it out, then they just brought in here so that we sell it for them.
Oh, okay. All right.
We have backpacks.
Okay, wonderful. Oh, those are nice too.
Okay.
Very nice.
These are some of the Kente cloths.
From all through the years. So again, you have the royal family who comes here to get their clothes. They have the traditional wear for their weddings and everything else. But this is a different experience. So I encourage anyone who's coming to Ghana to stop by the Ashanti region and check out the factory to make actual cloth. And actually, you guys can pick up some merchandise when you come in here, or grant them a donation. This is hard work. I literally couldn't do it, so I'm just letting you know this is extremely hard work. And these people actually make everything by hand that we go into the store and grab off of the shelf. So, yeah. Thanks again for your time.
You're always welcome.